Magento is an open-source content management system for e-commerce websites. The software was originally developed by Varien Inc, a U.S. private company headquartered in Los Angeles, with assistance from volunteers. Varien published the first general availability release of the software on March 31, 2008, under the name Bento. Roy Rubin, former CEO of Varien, later sold a substantial share of the company to eBay, which is now the sole owner. In April 2014, W3Techs estimated that Magento was used by 1.0% of all websites. According to the research conducted by Aheadworks in April 2014, Magento's market share among the 20 most popular e-commerce platforms is about 34%. Magento employs the MySQL relational database management system, the PHP programming language, and elements of the Zend framework. It applies the conventions of object-oriented programming and model view controller architecture. Magento also uses the integer attributor value model to store data. History: Magento officially started development in early 2007. 7 months later, on August 31, 2007, the first public beta version was released. Varien, the company owning Magento, formerly worked with OSCommerce. It had originally planned to fork OSCommerce but later decided to rewrite it as Bento. Due in part to a naming conflict with FileMaker Inc., who had already trademarked the name Bento, Varien and OSCommerce renamed Bento to Magento, a mix of Bento and Mage. The term Mage is said to pay homage to the Mage or Wizard of traditional Dungeons & Dragons-style role-playing games. In February 2011, eBay announced it had made an investment in Magento in 2010, worth a 49% ownership share of the company. As of June 6, 2011, eBay owns 100% of Magento. eBay announced that Magento would join eBay's new X-commerce initiative. Magento's CEO and co-founder Roy Rubin wrote on the Magento blog that Magento will continue to operate out of Los Angeles, with Yoav Kuttner and me as its leaders. Yoav Kuttner left Magento in April 2012, citing the vision for Magento having changed since the time of acquisition due to high-level staff changes. Overview: Magento provides 3 distinct platforms: Magento Community Edition, Magento Enterprise Edition, and Magento Go. Magento Community Edition: Magento Community Edition is an open-source content management system. Anyone can modify the core system. Developers can implement the core files and extend its functionality by adding new plugin modules provided by other developers. Since the first public beta version was released in 2007, Community Edition has been developed and customized in order to provide a basic e-commerce platform. The latest version is 1.9.0.1, which was released on May 15, 2014. Magento Enterprise Edition: Magento Enterprise Edition is derived from the Magento Community Edition and has the same core files. Unlike Community Edition, this is not free, but has more features and functionality. This edition is designed for large businesses that require technical support with installation, usage, configuration, and troubleshooting. Although Magento Enterprise has annual maintenance fees, neither Community nor Enterprise editions include hosting. The Magento team develops Enterprise Edition by cooperating with users and third parties. The latest version is 1.14.1.0, which was released on May 13, 2014. Magento Go: Magento Go is a cloud-based e-commerce solution, which also includes web hosting by Magento Inc. This was launched in February of 2011 in order to support small businesses as it has no need for software installation. Magento Go still has many built-in modules and can add Magento extensions for more functionality, but is also the least customizable platform. The latest version is 1.1.2.3, which was released on March 28, 2014. On July 1, 2014, Magento Inc. announced that they would be shutting down the Magento Go platform on February 1, 2015. Magento Features: Magento supports a web template system which generates multiple similar-looking pages and customizes them. Themes: Magento provides a basic theme which sets up an e-commerce website. The theme is designed for customizing all pages by adding or editing the PHP, HTML and CSS. Magento users may install themes which change the display of the website or its functionality. Without loss of content or layout of pages, themes are interchangeable with Magento installations. Themes are installed by uploading theme folders via FTP or SSH and applying them using the backend admin system. Modules. Magento developers have created Magento plugins which extend its basic built-in functionality. Magento users can install modules by downloading them, and uploading them to their server, or applying a module's extension key through Magento Connect Manager. Magento OE Imagine e-commerce Euro Conference. OE Imagine e-commerce Euro is the annual Magento e-commerce conference that has run since 2011. The first event was held in February 2011 in Los Angeles with more than 600 Magento merchants, partners, and developers. The goals of the OE Imagine e-commerce Euro are sharing e-commerce ideas and providing networking opportunity sessions. Magento Certification. There are 4 different Magento certifications, 3 of them aim to prove developers' competency in implementing modules, 1 targets business users. Magento Front-End Developer Certification is mainly focused on improving the user interface of built-in applications. This certification is related with templates, layouts, JavaScript, and CSS. Magento Developer Certification is geared toward back-end developers who implement the core modules. The Plus certification tests deep understanding of Magento enterprise modules and the entire architecture. See also: comparison of shopping cart software, comparison of free software e-commerce web application frameworks, list of online payment service providers, references. External links, official website.